Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Anjum ji. How are you? Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. I am just trying to pin our numbers. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, Seema ji, Anjali ji, Manisha ji, Vandana ji, Sheila ji, Seema ji. Hello all, Bindu ji, Anjum ji. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so I've pinned my number. A lot of you know us. Thank you, Sunita ji. हाँ रश्मि जी, जो पहना है वो ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. COD is not available, ma'am. Good afternoon. Hi Aparna ji and Chaya ji. Thank you all. Okay, so basically as always, hello Priya ji. As always, we have kurta sets today, and for the first time we are launching loungewear today because we are all at our homes. So we thought of giving you something which is very comfortable, जो आप घर पे आराम से पहन सकें. So we have combination of everything today. Hello Dhanshri ji, good afternoon Vandana ji. So we'll give you loungewear today. We'll give you beautiful kurta sets, anarkalis like these, and obviously sale products. Hello Savita ji. So you will have lots and lots of things today. The process, I'll just introduce myself for the ones who don't know us yet. This is Monica from Ethnic BFFs Delhi, and hello Riya ji, hello Dakshita ji. Thank you for joining, everyone. A lot of you all we know, and thank you so much for joining. Hello Anshu ji. So you need to take the screenshot of the design you like on the given numbers. Any one number you can send your queries on, and please ask us availability before payment. Plus size में नहीं है मैम आज. Okay, so you can ask availability before payment. First we'll be starting with the loungewear, then we'll move on to the kurta sets, and lastly the sale products. So stay tuned everyone, we have amazing collection as always. Hello, good afternoon ji. Thank you Kavita ji, thank you so much. So this is what makes our day. Thank you, your feedbacks, you're liking our products. Definitely our quality is good, and we are working more and more hard every day so that we can give you good and beautiful designs at very very affordable rates. Okay, so as always, shipping below 1500. अगर आपका total amount is 1500 तो आपकी shipping 80 rupees लगती है. उसमें आप एक product लीजिए, दो लीजिए, doesn't matter. Total amount अगर 1500 से ज़्यादा है, you get shipping free, and below that, thank you Dakshita ji, thank you so much. So below 1500 you have to pay a shipping of 80 rupees. We are delivering all over India, all over the world. So shipping is available from anywhere around the world. Hello Namarneet ji, I am good. How are you? Hello Vandana ji. ठीक है, तो without wasting much time, let's move. And double XL, yes we have, definitely. Plus size, no ma'am, no. So we'll start with the loungewear. The loungewear today, there are limited 6 to 7 designs, but definitely exclusive ones. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी आएगी सबकी. As always, हम जैसे कुर्ता सेट्स में we give you. Am I not visible, Neeta ji? Thank you Ankita ji, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining and sharing your feedback here. It means so much to us, I can't tell you. Really, really, it is really heartwarming. Hello Nidhi ji. Okay, so again loungewear quality will also be very very good, and please book your pieces fast, because आपको ये बोलना that we are sold out, that hurts us more rather than you, right? So you can book your pieces, but we'll be booking, either you can book on 8800 988 288 is our number. अगर आपको अभी लाइव के बीच में बुक करना है, and if you want to book after that, then the same number and one more 9999 714077. दोनों नंबर्स पिन किए हैं. हेलो प्रमिला जी, सॉरी इफ आई couldn't reply to many of you. ठीक है, so you can ping on both the numbers. Hello Ambika ji. So we'll start our show with the loungewear today. Okay, 6 to 7 designs, very very beautiful designs. You can wear it at home, at night, anytime you want. This is a pure cotton loungewear, 100% cotton. All the loungewears which we are going to show you today are 100% cotton. This is basically a peplum style top. Okay, if you can check out the length, this is the length of it. Pure cotton piece, length is exactly 28. You have this dori here on the neck. This is all hand block. Hello Urvashi ji, hello Urmil ji. So this is pure cotton. Okay, all hand block. If you can see, बिल्कुल 100% कॉटन के आएंगे ये, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी होगी. दिस विल बी द बैक साइड ऑफ इट, एंड अ ब्यूटिफुल पैंट विद इट. अ ब्यूटिफुल हैंड ब्लॉक, सेम हैंड ब्लॉक एंड प्योर कॉटन, 100% कॉटन पैंट with this set. The pants also, the elastic is very very comfortable. See, okay, so this will be the pant. It has this dori to get yourself adjusted as you want to. So this is the loungewear, very different pure cotton pieces, bright shade. Sizes in this will be 36 to 42, 36 to 42 size in this loungewear. This is the pant, and this will be the peplum bottom. You can take the screenshots and you can WhatsApp us on the two given numbers. Any one number you can ping us. Thank you Sunita ji. Okay, so the price for this is 850, 850, pure cotton piece, very very affordable designs, and we have limited pieces of loungewear, so please book it as fast as you can, because even we want to avoid telling you that we are sold out, right? Moving on to the next. Price is 850, ma'am. Thank you Priya ji, thank you so much. Now this is the next design on loungewear. Again pure cotton piece, very very beautiful print on pure cotton. This is all lotus print, pure cotton piece. Length will be around 28-29 of this. If you want to just take a look, this will be the exact length. Okay, and exactly it is 28 to 29. So this is a pure cotton top here. The back side also same pure cotton print. मैम एल साइज इज जनरली 40, जनरली, बाकी सब डिजाइन्स में अलग अलग होता है, राइट? जनरली एल साइज इज 40, एंड दिस विल बी द सेम मैचिंग पैंट. दिस विल बी द मैचिंग पैंट, very very good elasticity for your comfort, and this will be the dori, right? So a beautiful loungewear here, a long one, so you know you can wear it and you are comfortable wearing it for the whole day. Price for this is only 695. 695, sizes available 38 to 44. 38 to 44, you can take the screenshots. 695 for this loungewear. Yes, it is all block print, ma'am. It is all block print and pure 100% cotton. Now after the light shades, coming to a bright shade loungewear here. Now for this, the sleeves will be half. The previous one which we showed you, it had 3/4 sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. So beautiful stripes design here. This is all front open. This loungewear is front open with short sleeves, bright shade, 100% pure cotton. Ma'am, shipping 1500 below. If your total amount is below 1580 rupees shipping, or else you get shipping free. Agar aapka total amount is more than 1500, shipping is free for you. So this is a stripes design, magenta shade and white shade combination. So we always give you bright shade kurtis, and today this is bright shade loungewear for you. It has a beautiful collar here. So very, very comfortable. Ma'am, you can WhatsApp us on 8800988288 or 9999714077. This will be the pant. Pure cotton pant. Again, the same dory and elastic for the best of comfort here. Okay, so this will be the pant. Limited pieces available with us. You can take the screenshot. Price for this is 795. 795 for this. Size 38 to 44. 38 to 44. Ma'am, small is basically 36. रश्मि जी डेफिनेटली दिखाएंगी जो वेयर किया है वो भी. So 38 to 44. Length is again 28. Generally सबकी length is around 28. Top की length is around 28. This is 795. 38 to 44. You can take the screenshots and WhatsApp us. Okay. मैम, डार्क शेड्स तो डेफिनेटली ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. वाइट शेड्स भी आई जस्ट शो यू. It is not transparent. It is not transparent. So you can wear it all day. If you feel thoda bahut transparent hai, that is your personal opinion. But definitely, as we see it, it is not transparent here. You can check it out. Okay. Darker shades तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है transparent, ma'am. Thank you. Length of pajamas is generally 38. 37 to 38 is the general length of all the kurta set pants and this also nightwear also. Now a beautiful, beautiful design here. Again pure cotton. Please check the orange and yellow combination swan here. Very, very beautiful print. Very beautiful print in combination. It will have this collar. This will be the sleeve. मैम 3/4 के हमने दिखाए हैं नीलू जी. So you can check the video again. Okay, so this will be the piece. This is all pipe in here. This will be the back side of the collar and the whole top, and a matching pant with it. A matching same print, swan print. Very, very beautiful design. And please check the bright shades of yellow and orange. Okay, so this is the pant with it, and this is the top. A very different printed, very much in. Swans are very much in, so you can opt for this one. We have one more shade in this. We'll just show you. 850 will be the price for this. 850. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. Okay, and one more color we are just showing you. One more color in the same print is this. This is a combination of light pink and dark pink. Okay, light pink and dark pink. Pure cotton, 100% pure cotton pieces. So shades, you can see this is one shade, This is the other shade. You can WhatsApp us and please mention the colors and the sizes. Okay, 850 is the price. 38 to 44 size available. मैम स्मॉल साइज भी दिखाया था. COD is not available मैम. 46 no, not in loungewear. Okay, price for that was 850 ma'am. 850. Now this is again a very different print. Very different print. You can check the butterflies here. It has a band collar, a Chinese collar here. This is again front open. This is front open. Okay, and a beautiful combination of blue and green butterflies. Sleeves will be this half. Okay, no ma'am, t-shirts nahi hai. We are just showing you loungewear today. We have just 2 more designs of loungewear and then we'll move on to our kurta sets. Okay, so this is the design. Very beautiful band collar, same print on the back side. This is the back side of it, and a matching pant. So very comfortable in these times especially. Please check the elastic and the dori here. So it will be very comfortable to you. Okay, you can take the screenshot of it. Beautiful print, 100% cotton. 850 will be the price again for this. 38 to 44 size. 38 to 44. 850 again. Ma'am, 46 में loungewear नहीं है. We'll show you kurtis in 44. So this is basically the length. So you have enough length here for all the tops. Flamingo one was a loungewear ma'am. You can use it for the whole day, for night also. So it's like pure cotton, 100% cotton. So you can wear it anytime you want. These are basically loungewear. I'll definitely show. This is the last piece. We'll move on to what I'm wearing and all the kurta sets. Okay, so this is again a very pretty print and pretty pink. This will be the design, the print on it. Beautiful shade. Again band collar, Chinese collar with front open loungewear. Half sleeves. Very subtle, beautiful print all over. Beautiful print all over. This is the exact shade and the matching pant. Same print, matching pant. Okay, so this will be the pant with it. Ma'am, 36 loungewear. बिल्कुल starting में yellow दिखाए. We have 36 in that. Okay, so this is the elastic and dori again. Pure cotton pieces. This will be 795. 795. 38 to 44 size available. 795. 26 again. The top length will be 26 for this. Okay, you can take the screenshots and you can WhatsApp us. Ma'am, you will see on WhatsApp. Okay Neha, we'll get in 46 also. Ma'am, अगर WhatsApp पे अभी reply नहीं भी आ रहे हैं तो after the live you will definitely get all the replies. सबके messages के reply हम करेंगे. It's just that you need to book little faster because we by God's grace we get sold out quite fast. Oh, so sorry Anbukanu ma'am. 34 waist, I think you should go for starting sizes 38 or 36 also you can go, but 38 will be like comfortable because loungewear are anyway thoda loose fitting wala, so you can go. Okay Neha ji, you can WhatsApp us. So moving on to the kurta sets. A very beautiful kurta set here. Very beautiful kurta set. This is on muslin. The fabric is muslin. Hello Minil ji, good afternoon. We were missing you actually. Okay, Anjum ji. We'll just check your messages and we'll reply. Okay, so this is again a pure muslin piece. This is the whole thread work, hand block print, and above the print is this thread work here. This is all thread work. Okay, pure muslin piece, beautiful hand block done here, and in the hand block also there is little bit of touching of gold print, if you can see. Gold print touch on the hand block, and here all thread work. So beautiful, beautiful design. Okay, this thread work is all over in the kurta, front side of the kurta. Bright shade. Okay, and please check the pure muslin bottom. Pure muslin bottom. So basically this is a wide palazzo. A wide palazzo, pure muslin palazzo. Okay, this is the border. I hope you can see the work here. This is the beautiful thread work done here on the lower end and gota work. Cotton kurti also we'll show. We have lots and lots of designs, so don't worry ma'am. This is muslin because a lot of your messages were about party wear collection, so you can wear this comfortably anywhere. Thank you Minilji. Now I don't need to care about the messages. You all will definitely get a reply because Minilji is here to help us as always. Right, so this is the set, and please check the chiffon dupatta. This is a pure chiffon dupatta. This will be the tassel. This is the lace on it, and in the whole dupatta there is this gold print and this mustard color print. So beautiful print here in the dupatta also. You can take the screenshots. This is pure muslin piece, wide palazzo, very different combination. 3-piece set on pure muslin. Size available 38 to 44 and price is 1795. 1795. Muslins everyone knows is extremely comfortable, very classy to wear and very bright shade. Please check the combination. 1795, 38 to 44 size available. Okay, COD is not available ma'am. Okay, now one more. This is cotton piece now for the ones who are asking. The evergreen combination, white and blue. Most demanding combination and very elegant. So this is basically again a pure cotton kurta. This is all hand block here, and on the hand block is this silver print. This is silver print on the hand block. Please check the yoke of it. The yoke is very beautiful with all gota lining and sequence work. This is sequence work here. I hope the whole kurta is clear to you. There is all sequence work on the yoke. Okay, a beautiful piece. Let me show you the bottom of it. This is the printed bottom. Dark blue is the shade, very elegant blue. Okay, so this is the print on the pant. Ma'am, sharara sets also we have. Just stay tuned, we have everything. We show you all the variety as much as possible. And this will be the beautiful cotton dupatta. This is a beautiful cotton dupatta. This will be the hand block. Okay, so this is the dupatta. The back side of the kurta also has same hand block. 3-piece set for only 1195. Only 1195. Size available 38 to 44. In this you get 38 to 44. 1195. 3-piece set. You you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp us. Okay, so this is the design. Our shop is in Delhi, ma'am. Thank you, Minil ji. I knew you are here, so we don't have to do much job because our dearest Minil ji is here who replies to all of the messages. Thank you, Manju ji. Hello. Actually, there are 2 numbers mentioned pinned up here, so you can WhatsApp us the screenshot of the design you would want. Sure, you can WhatsApp us, Manju ji. Okay. So one more beautiful bright combination here. This is a 3-piece anarkali set. A 3-piece anarkali set here. Please check the different shade of it. This is the gota work here on the neck and on the yoke. On the neck and the yoke, beautiful print here. This is the whole print. This is the gota lining. Okay, and a very beautiful different shade. This will be the zigzag kind of bottom. This will be the bottom. This is again pure cotton. This is pure cotton piece. Okay, and a beautiful chiffon dupatta on shibori. Shibori print chiffon dupatta. A beautiful dupatta with it. Anarkali set. You have these tassels on the sides. On the sides you get this beautiful tassels. Okay, please check the daman of the suit. This will be the beautiful daman with all gota linings. PP of white suit is, ma'am, 1195. 1195. We don't have plus size kurtis today. Yes, in 46 there are designs. We will show you. So this is the daman. 3-piece anarkali set, matching mask with it, matching with the bottom. You can take the screenshots. The sizes available in this are 38 to 44. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 44. Price is only 1695. Sorry, 1650 for this only. 1650. 1650, 3-piece anarkali set. Beautiful chiffon dupatta, pure cotton piece. Okay, 1650 for this. 44 is generally double XL, ma'am. Yes. 1650. Parwana ji, 1650. Now, the most hot selling article of ours, which is amazing in quality. Okay, definitely the quality is awesome, and for the ones who have received it, we have got amazing feedback. Thank you for that. This is the Ajrak print kurta set. Ajrak print kurta set. Please check the print here. This is the print. Okay, this is the handwork here. On the yoke you have this handwork and buttons. This is button pattern here. Back side also you have the same Ajrak print. This is the bottom. Please see, this is premium cotton. The fabric is premium cotton. This is the bottom. Again on Ajrak print, bottom, and a matching mask with the kurta. A matching mask with the kurta. So this is a kurta set. Beautiful Ajrak print here. Price is only 1050. 1050 will be the price. 38, 40 and 42. Only 3 sizes we have in this now. 38, 40 and 42. Only 1050. Thank you, Vibhaji. Thank you so much. Okay. So this is the 2-piece set. Premium cotton Ajrak print. You will never get Ajrak sets in this particular range. 38, 40 and 42 people only query for this, please. Thank you. Now one more color which we have in that black one, black Ajrak print, is this. So the combination is just the reverse. In this we have maroon kurta. This is the hand block here. This is the kurta maroon. This will be the buttons. Same little bit of hand work, thread work and hand work done on the yoke, only on the yoke. COD is not available, ma'am. Red and black, this, the Ajrak print we had shown earlier was red and black. This is also maroon and black. This is the combination. The reverse of the one which we showed earlier, this is maroon kurta, black pant. The earlier one Ajrak we showed was black kurta and maroon pant. Okay, so this is again premium cotton, black bottom and a beautiful matching mask with the kurta. So very bright combination here. Maroon, red, orange, these are so bright. So this is again a very bright combination. 1050 is the price only. M, XL and double XL, 3 size available. M means 38 in this. So we have 38, 42 and 44 in this particular set. 38, 42 and 44. 1050 will be the price. Hello Saloni ji. Okay, you were waiting for Ajrak one? Okay. Now this is a beautiful kurta on handloom cotton. Please check the beautiful print here. This is a beautiful print. Leafy print. This is all a touch of gold print. This is handloom cotton. Please check the beautiful handwork done here. This is all handwork. Now this handwork goes till here. So the yoke has this handwork and then the bottom also has on the other side. So I hope the whole kurta is clear to you. On the front, here it is all handwork and then here it is handwork. Okay, so beautiful work on it. If you can see, बहुत ही intricate सा बारीक सा काम है. This is the whole kurta. This will be the sleeve. It has all gold print touching here. The back side also same print, band collar. 46 people, this we have in 46 also. This will be the beautiful pant, beautiful linings, a very different combination here. Now the pant also has the same gold print and same combination. Okay, this we have in 46 also. 38 to 46 size available in this. Price 1395. 1395. 38 to 46 available. This is all handwork. Beautiful shade here. Okay, a very different, elegant shade and beautiful print. Yes, shipping is free above 1500. अगर आप एक पीस दो पीस जो भी लेते हैं, अगर total amount if you are paying is above 1500, then shipping is free. Ma'am, we accept all online mode of payment but not COD. Anything you can avail. Shipping is 80 rupees below 1500. 80 rupees if the amount is below 1500. Now again, one of our best sellers, bandhej, a combination of light green and dark green bandhej. This is the beautiful sleeve. Yes, the kurti I am wearing is available. We will be showing you next after this. So this is the beautiful yoke here. A very heavy zari work here. This is all zari work. So beautiful yoke. Please see the color, a very bright shade. Now the zari work is all over the kurta. This is small zari bootas on the kurta. This will be the pant. This will be the pant. It has this border, matching border on the pant, and a pure chiffon dupatta. Dark green pure chiffon dupatta with this gota lining. A very different piece. We have sold so many pieces of this particular design. This will be the mask. again light and dark green shade. Okay, so 3-piece set, full size chiffon dupatta. Price for this 1495. Size available is only S and L. S is 38. So 38 size, bust size can apply for this. 42 bust size can apply for this. 1495. Okay. 1495 will be the price. You can take the screenshots. 3-piece set. And Anjali ji, take a look at the video again. Maybe you will get clarity on what to buy. Now this one, a lot of you have been asking. Beautiful Ajrak Anarkali, the one which I am wearing. Beautiful hand block print Ajrak Anarkali set. Okay, this is long Anarkali. Please check the yoke of it. The yoke has this beautiful gota lining here. Okay, and this is a touch of thread work, gold thread here. Gold, this is all gold thread work here. I hope the work is very clear to you. This is all gold thread work, and this is a touch of mirror, so mirror work here. Okay, so these are not real mirrors. These are basically the plastic ones which just give you a feel of mirror. This is the beautiful sleeve, a very early collection. These are the colors, different colors. Please check the daman of it. This will be the daman of the suit. A very different combination, beautiful print, and on the sides you get these tassels. So these are the tassels, like the one which I am hanging here. You can just let it loose also. That's completely up to you. This will be the back side. The back side also has the same kali design and ajrak print. Okay, a beautiful anarkali set. Very limited pieces available with us. 1795 is the price for this. 38 to 44. 38 to 44 size available. 1795 will be the price. I'm sorry I'm unable to reply to all the messages because I was rest assured there was Minyal ji here. Okay. Leafy print mein, yes, 42 is available. Store is in Shahadra, Delhi, ma'am. Shipping charge all over India is 80 rupees if your total order amount is 1500 or below that, and above 1500 shipping is completely free. Again, a pure cotton kurta set. Beautiful kurta set here. This is the print. This is the yoke of it. Please check the beautiful yoke. This is crochet lace here, and this is all sequence work. Sequence work, button pattern. We try to show you pieces as clearly as possible so that there is no confusion. We tell you the sizes appropriately. This will be the sleeve and the lace, so that you know there is no problem at all when you order. Okay, this will be the print. For sizes, please see, we have uploaded a video on our page, Facebook page, Ethnic BFFs is a FB page. So you can go and there is a video, we have just shared it, in which you can measure your own sizes comfortably, because we don't exchange or return on the basis of sizes. So please check your sizes before ordering. There is a video uploaded which will make your work little easier to order. Ma'am, you can WhatsApp now on 8800988288 and check the availability, please. Okay, so beautiful kurta set. This crochet lace is all over till the end. On the sides also you get the same lace, and also on the daman. Okay, so a beautiful kurta here, very bright shade of peach, pinkish peach. Backside also same print. A beautiful hand block pure cotton bottom. This is the pure cotton bottom with it. Okay, and a matching mask, a very beautiful floral print mask matching with the same kurta. Price is only 1150, only 1150 for this beautiful bright cotton kurta set. घर पे कहीं भी you can wear it easily and it will look very elegant. Very elegant. You can take the screenshots. Size, the ones who wanted in 46, this is available in 46. S to double XL. S is 38 bust size in this. So 38 to 46 available in this. 38 to 46 available in this. Okay. मैम मेरे पीछे जो स्काई ब्लू है that also we'll show you. Now 2-3 showstopper pieces we have. The one which I am wearing I showed you. Please take a look at this beautiful muslin kurta set. This is again one of our showstopper pieces. Very rich and elegant piece. This is on pure muslin. Please check the beautiful print here. This is pure muslin suit. This will be the sleeve. This is the yoke of it. Beautiful yoke here. This will be the tassel. The tassel on the front. This is the whole print. Pure muslin set. 3-piece set. The bottom is again on pure muslin. This is the printed bottom on pure muslin. Okay. Thank you Minial ji. So this is pure muslin bottom and a pure muslin dupatta. It's a stole dupatta but a very beautiful one. Please check the print. Very elegant print here. Now it also has this touch of gold print. A touch of gold print all over in the dupatta. Beautiful dupatta, a very elegant piece. You can take the screenshots. It's a very elegant piece on pure muslin. Price for this is 1795. Size available 38 to 44. Size available 38 to 44. 1795 will be the price for this beautiful print pure muslin 3-piece kurta set. Okay. 1795 ma'am. Length for all the straight kurtas is approximately 44 to 45. Okay. Now this is a piece on pure cotton. A very different shade of brick red. This is exactly brick red color. This is the beautiful yoke. Here a touch of gota lining and sequins. This is sequins and gota lining. So beautiful yoke coming up here. This is the whole print. I hope the print is also the floral print and the color is clear to you. This will be the sleeves. Beautiful. This is the lace, matching lace. This will be the bottom of it. A beautiful combination here. This will be the bottom. This is pure cotton 3-piece set. Pure cotton 3-piece set and a mull cotton full size dupatta. This is mull cotton. So mull cotton full size dupatta. This is the combination of the dupatta. So very beautiful design here. Again 3-piece set, pure cotton piece. Size available M, L and XL. 1350 will be the price. 1350. In numbers 38, 40 and 42. 3 sizes available only. 38, 40 and 42. The sizes which we are mentioning, please send us queries for those sizes only. 1350 for this. Ma'am, Suvidha ji, you can WhatsApp us. We'll give you the exact details of our showroom. Okay. Now one more of our our best sellers. This also we have sold, I guess 80 to 90 pieces at least of this particular design. A zigzag pure cotton kurta. So we have got this in many colors, but this time we have just one color left and just limited pieces of this. So those who wanted these pieces can now order. This is all pitton work done here on the neck and pitton work bootas on the yoke. The yoke has these pitton work bootas. Okay, the sides will have this gota lining. The sides has this gota lining and the bottom also will have the same gota detailing here. A very different shade, indigo blue, a matching mask of indigo blue here. This is the premium cotton bottom. This is premium cotton. If you can see the quality of it, it is premium cotton bottom, a very thick one. So you can take the screenshots. Only 1195. 1195 will be the price. 38 to 46 available in this. 46 is available in this. This will be the sleeves. Hello Dimple ji, you can WhatsApp us. You can WhatsApp us. We'll definitely book whatever you want to book. Okay. So this is the piece. 38 to 46 size. 1195 will be the price. Okay. And this is again a pure cotton kurta set. A pure cotton kurta set. Beautiful, very earthy print here. Okay. Now this is all gota lining. This is not print. This is gota lining here on the middle. And this is button pattern. This is button pattern here given. And this is all gota lining going till the end of the kurta. Till the end of the kurta. Now the sleeves also has the same gota lining. Okay. A beautiful kurta set. Please check the bottom of it. Now the back side won't have the gota lining, but the print remains the same on the back side. This is the bottom. A pure cotton bottom. Okay. This is the printed bottom. Very elegant design for the ones who like these earthy colors. And this is the matching mask with it. 1150 is the price for this. Only 1150. Size available 38 to 44. 38 to 44 size available. This design also we have restocked for the ones who are asking for it. You can book your pieces now. 1150. Okay. 1150 for this piece. Now sky blue. Many of you are asking for sky blue one also. Please check this design. A very beautiful shade. This is again on cotton. This is the beautiful handwork on the yoke. Very intricate work here. This is the work, all handwork. And this will be the sleeve. The sleeve will have this print. This one. Okay, so this will be the beautiful sleeve here. And please check the daman. The daman also has the same hand block. This is all hand block print on the daman. A beautiful suit here. Please check the bottom of it. Sharara, the ones who wanted sharara, this is a sharara. So this will be the bottom. At the end of the bottom you get this particular print and a sharara pattern here. A beautiful suit here. The back side has this hand block. The back side has this, and also on the daman you get this beautiful print. So this is the suit, and this will be the beautiful shibori print dupatta. This is the beautiful shibori print dupatta. I hope the dupatta and everything is clear to you. 1450 will be the price for this. 1450, size 38 to 44. 38 to 44, 1450. Sorry, 1450. Now one more kurta set in black. This is all black kurta sets because we got many queries to give you all black designs. So this is an all black kurta set. This is all gold print here. This is all gold print. Okay. Our showroom is closed now because of lockdown, but definitely you can visit after that, no problem. So this is the button pattern here. PP of the one I'm wearing is 1795, ma'am. And sorry if I'm unable to reply to all of you because we have a strong support system, that is Minnal ji, who is answering to all of you, I am sure. So this is this gold print here. Okay, the same gold print on the back side. This is basically the kurta set, and the bottom will also have gold print on it. This is the gold print on the bottom. Again on pure cotton. This is handloom cotton kurta set. Price 1050 for this. 38 to 44 size available. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 44, 1050. So we give you all the pieces at affordable rates. Thank you, Minnal ji. I knew your comment is coming up. Now one more showstopper piece of ours is this. Please check this design. Very, very elegant piece. It's a light brown shade kurta set. Okay. This is the print and these are the buttons. This is something really, really classy to wear. This will be the sleeve. It has all gold print on it. This is gold print on the sleeve, and the beautiful part of it is the daman. So all hand block here and gold print on the daman. A beautiful daman here. Okay. This will be the bottom. The bottom also has the same print and this beautiful, beautiful lace here. A beautiful print, same gold print here. A beautiful combination, and please check the best part of it, the dupatta. This is the dupatta. Please check the dupatta of it. This is the dupatta. A beautiful dupatta, pure cotton piece. This will be the crochet lace on the edges of the dupatta, all gold print and print here. A very, very classy design coming here. This is a full size dupatta. Full size dupatta, and at the middle you get the same crochet lace. This is all. Guys, please don't call us between the session. We'll definitely reply to all of you. So this is the dupatta. If you want to wear something different and something classy, this is the piece for you. The back side also has the same hand block. Very classy design. 1850 is the price. Pure cotton piece, 36 to 44. The ones who wanted 36 to 44 size available. 1850 is the price. You can take the screenshot. This is the piece. Shashikanji, you can definitely WhatsApp us. Ma'am, gold print generally does not go on wash, but the pieces which we are showing, if it is on the party wear side, you can obviously go for an easy wash. So that will be for safer side, we always recommend easy wash for the first time at least. Okay. Now this is again a beautiful beautiful anarkali. Beautiful anarkali. This is again pure cotton piece. Beautiful hand block. This is all sequence work on the hand block. Okay. This will be the gota detailing. This will be the sleeve. This is again gota detailing and sleeves. Beautiful yoke here. This is all handwork done, sequence work on the yoke till here. And then this is the daman. Pure cotton piece, very very comfortable. Please look at the shade, a very different shade here. And the same print on the back side. A matching mask with it. A matching mask with it. Okay. So you can take the screenshot of this. Only 1250 will be the price. 1250 for this anarkali. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. So comfortable to wear at home also, because it is pure cotton and different shade. मैम 48 साइज में खुशबू जी नहीं है, सो सॉरी. रजनी जी पार्टी वेयर में काफ़ी चीज़ें दिखाई है. यू कैन गो थ्रू अ वीडियो अगेन. वी आर जस्ट लेफ्ट विद अ सेल पीसेस नाउ, एंड बिकॉज वी हैव very less time available with us, so we'll just quickly show you the sale pieces. Please go through it very very fast, okay, because we have just 2 minutes left to wrap up the show. So this is a sale piece, pure cotton piece. This will be the print, the sleeves. This will be the yoke. This is the palazzo. This is a wide palazzo with it. This is a wide palazzo. Okay, this is the print on the palazzo, a very very wide one, and a mull cotton dupatta. This is a mull cotton dupatta. This is the gota lace here. So 3-piece set, only 1250 is the sale price. 1250 for this 3-piece set. Only 40 size available. So these are sale pieces, does not mean the quality will be bad. The quality is extremely good, but the thing is we are left with only single pieces, so we are giving it at these prices. 1250 for this. Size 40 only, please apply. Now this is in small size, for the ones who wanted small size. Extremely premium cotton fabric. This will be the yoke of it. A beautiful yoke. Gota lining, premium cotton piece. The whole sleeve will have this thread work. I'll just show you. Yeah, so this is all thread work on the sleeves. Please check the bottom of it. A very very beautiful bottom. This is net on the lower part, on the edges near the ankle. Only 36 sizes available in this. Pure cotton stole size dupatta. Pure cotton stole size cut work dupatta. Elegant designing. Again 1250 only for this. Size 36. M size, which is 36. Only single piece available. 36. 1250 for this 3-piece set. Hello Hina ji. Now again a 3-piece set. Pure cotton piece. This is the yoke. This is all sequence work here. Okay, we are just quickly showing you because we are out of time. This will be the bottom. This is the pure cotton dupatta. 3-piece set, only 850 is the price. This is all gota lining here. Okay, 3-piece set, 850 is the price. Size only 38 is available in this. Only 38 available. 850. 3-piece set. Now this one again we are left with just one size. Okay, this is the print. This is the beautiful yoke. Okay, yes Manerji, you can watch our recorded video. This is the sleeve. This is the matching pant. This is again on cotton. 3-piece set. Beautiful combination. Stole size dupatta. This is a stole dupatta. Okay, size available in this is only M size, only 38 size available. 900 for this, only 900 for this. Now one more suit, 3-piece set, pure chanderi. This is all beautiful gota work here. This is the sleeve. Okay, and here also there are buttas, very very premium quality cotton. This is the weaving done on the bottom, weaving on the bottom, and this is the 2-dye dupatta. It has self on it, if you can see the dupatta. This is the self work on the dupatta. Okay, sizes in this will be 38, 40 and 40, 42 and 44. 38, 42 and 44, only 1100. Only 1100 for this bright 3-piece set. 38, 42 and 44 people can apply for this. Okay, just 2 more sets and we'll wrap up. This is again an anarkali set, one of our best sellers. So we have just single piece left with us right now. This is the yoke. This is all bandhej print. This is gota linings. Okay, size, we are mentioning sizes also, ma'am. 36 sizes available in this, S size. This is the full size cotton dupatta. Full size cotton dupatta, only 1500 for this anarkali set. And this is the pant. We have sold a lot of pieces. We are just left with one last piece. You can take the screenshot. This will be the daman. Okay, so this piece is for 1500. Only 36 people can apply for this, 36 size. Now this one again, peacock blue, very very different shade. This is the yoke. This is all thread work here. Okay, this will be the sharara. This also we are left with one last piece. This is the beautiful sharara with it. This is not a pant, this is a wide sharara. Okay, and this will be the mal cotton dupatta. Mal cotton dupatta, beautiful shade, beautiful combination. Size available only 42. XL size 1250 is the sale price. 1250 only. 1250. Only 42 size people, please apply. Last piece is this. This is the beautiful embroidery here. This is the tassel. This is the sleeve. Okay, this will be the beautiful check bottom on checks. Now the bottom will have this particular design. It's a white pant. This will be the embroidery on the bottom. Size available 42 and 44, only 750. Only 750 for this. 42 and 44, 2 sizes can apply. Okay, so we are out of time today. Sorry for being late, and I hope all of you are safe, your family, your friends. Please take care. You can WhatsApp us the designs you want, and please query only for the sizes which we have mentioned in the video. Okay, pink we'll show you, ma'am. Please WhatsApp us, or you can visit our page Ethnic BFFs on Facebook. So we have everything there. And thank you, Kalpana ji. We really wish and pray for your well-being, your family, your friends' well-being. Please stay safe, stay at home, just be at the best of your health. That is what we want, and that is what we pray for. Thank you so much to all the customers who have been watching us and who have ordered from us and given lovely feedbacks. Thank you so much, guys, who don't miss out on giving us valuable feedbacks. So till then, thank you, Minil ji, and yes, of course, thank you, Minil ji, for being here always and helping us out. So thanks a lot, truly. and we'll see you soon again. Till then, please take care. See you soon. Bye bye.